Hello, Rufus. Yeah. Check out those eyes. So happy. Mm. Hmm. How friendly. 2 weeks ago, you didn't want to have anything to do with us. Huh. 2 weeks ago, a month ago, thought you were a wild one. And now, yeah, check that out. What a friendly boy.
Fantasia we sent out without her adoption.